Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our Dogecoin video update. So previously I talked about the ABC correction. So look at this weekly time frame, and we so far are doing that ABC correction for Dogecoin. The last time I left you with the update was that there was this weekly time frame, and you moved to the downside like this. You pushed to the upside, came for the A, the B, and this is my C correction prediction all the way down to 0.05 right there. And so far it seems like it's doing pretty much what I'm expecting it to do. Now I'm actually going to bring the extension for the fib retracement from the bottom there to the top right here, and right now we've already lost the golden ratio. We're below 0.08414. The next technical target for me, basically for Dogecoin, for the dumps that is about to happen, will be down to 0.05299. So be very careful. A very big storm might be coming into crypto, and you can see even we are closing now below the 0.786 right there. Move all the way down to 0.05299. So be extra careful, and it doesn't really stop there. Even on the daily we can see a continuation pattern known as a three black rows, and there's a 3 red candles back to back. And I don't know if on the 4-hour time frame we probably even might have a bear flag. Yeah, so we do have a bear flag on the 4-hour time frame right there. So all you did is, came down like this, made this flag right there, and you're gonna be popping out of the flag sooner or later. And from there to there, you can actually say that Dogecoin is looking to move all the way down to this technical target, which is gonna be 0.066. okay, so that's gonna be a dump of nearly from there to there, and we could be looking at Dogecoin to move further 14% to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.